Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve the advanced cross. Now I scrambled up this cube, and in the beginner's method, if we are choosing light and we are going to do the cross, we make these edges in the yellow. But in the advanced, we do is take an edge piece and this is here, and I will simply match this and put this down, and this is red, this is here, and if we put this, it's not correct because its center is not aligned. So we should do is put this you do this in the opposite, put this down and attach. Now this is correct. One is here, so we can do is put this here and we can attach it also and put this down. Now 3 of them is solved. The last is here. Last we can do is it is here, so we can simply attach it like this and down and up. Now it's correct. But if we get one case like this and can't be attached in any of these centers, we should do is put this up and move this here or here. I am putting here, and put this down, attach it like that and put this down. Now the cross piece is done, and put this also here. I will put the walkthrough solves in this. Thank you.